Hello, my name's Maggie Kirby and I live in a housing association flat. The flat is a new build and it's a ground floor, and it's had some adaptations made especially for me because I'm partially sighted. However, some of the adaptations are really driving me around the bend and make my life quite difficult, like this. Black plug sockets. You see it like this, I see it like that. An alternative for me would be something like this: a white socket on a light coloured wall with a surround. I can see the plug holes, whereas I can't on the black ones, so getting a plug in is extremely difficult for me. But getting them into this type of socket will be easier because I can see the plug holes. These come in various colours and various sizes. This one here is for a light switch. Sight loss varies from person to person and so is very individual. So while this combination suits me, it may not suit somebody else with a similar situation. So it's very important that the service provider talks to each individual to see what suits them, to enable them to live a full and accomplished life. Thank you for listening.